Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from New Balance email alerts. If you don't have a New Balance account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free shipping on orders $50 plus. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom. And you will see a section for Help. Under Help, you will see an option that says Contact Us. Click on Contact Us. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Unsubscribe. Click on Unsubscribe. Under Email Offers, is a button for Unsubscribe. Click on Unsubscribe. Then you will see a message saying your request to unsubscribe from email offers has been received. That's how you unsubscribe from New Balance email alerts. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.